Today we're unboxing the Tapo C120 indoor-outdoor Wi-Fi security camera. This is from TP-Link, as you can see. So we're going to open this up and take a look at this so you can get an idea of the form factor. This is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, and it's just going to connect right to your Wi-Fi network. So we remove everything from the packaging there, and this is what we get. We get a little quick start guide. We get some information there. And it looks like we get a mounting template. So what else is inside of here? We get some screws, our charging cable, and so let's take a look at the camera itself. We've got the camera right here. It's in this plastic shroud. We've got kind of like a mounting bracket right there, and then we open it up. That's pretty cool for shipping. So you've got your base right there, and you can rotate this left or right. And this has this base plate right here. And what's cool about that is you can mount that base plate and it's magnetic. So you could mount this plate where you want it, and then you can just magnetize it right to that, place it wherever you want. And then you could move this around if you wanted. So if you wanted to stand it up on its own, just like on a table or a shelf, you can absolutely do that. Rotate it either way, or if you want to put it on a wall or a ceiling, you can do that with this magnetized mount there. You can see this holds it up just fine, no problem. So really innovative little camera here. It can go indoors and outdoors. You've got your power cables here, and it is Wi-Fi powered with 2K vision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.